If you've worked in theater tech for any amount of time, I guarantee you've been asked to ring a telephone. So here's how to do that with an RC4 Magic Series 3 2-dim. Everything I'm showing you here applies to dimmers in every category of dimmer that we make. So 2.4 gigahertz RC4 Magic, 900 gigahertz RC4 Magic 900. Our WDIMMs work with Wireless Solutions WDMX transmitters. Our Lumen Dim dimmers work with Lumen Radio CRMX transmitters. For all of these devices, the process is the same. Let's go over what it takes to ring a telephone. So here's an old-fashioned Bell telephone. It requires a 20 hertz AC wave, much like power, between 80 and 100 volts. So it's not the same as the power that, is everyday AC power, but it's very similar. That means we can use a step-up transformer to go from an AC wave at a lower frequency or a lower voltage up to that 80 or 100 that we need. We can use a low voltage battery because that's how our dimmers work. And the trick here is that we have added a AC synthesis dimmer curve. So what it does is it takes two channels and it alternates turning them on and off, and we can feed that into a transformer with a center tap. So now by having the center tap as the common and one channel pulls low and then the other channel pulls low and they alternate back and forth, we have generated alternating current. Then we step it up 80 volts and we're good. How do we get to that curve? Enhanced One Touch allows us to pick all of the dimmer curves in the device, not just the three common ones. And a level of 30 out of 255, not 30%, but the actual numeric level of 30 with One Touch selects the AC synth wave. So let's make that happen. I'm going to use channel 19. Here we are right now in default modes. I cleared this dimmer before we started this. So I'm going to take channel 19 up to a value of 30. I'm going to push the Set A button. And you will see now already there is an AC wobble happening on the LEDs, and the A and B dimmers are now working in tandem just like I described, and they're dimmable. And when I get up to a high enough level, it rings the bell. So how easy was that? It's a wireless tele-q. Takes seconds to set it up, and you could easily build all of that into the telephone. If you used our DMX2 Micro, even less space. It's just fantastic.